We're here to give the opportunity to people for full-time work in New Zealand as a skilled worker, so trades, carpenter, mechanic, or anyone who's successful with the quota.
O la tau po i o lo whaapea o na ngā lulue ina i na whai o na Yesu. Amene. Patai tele pale asi. Ole te ino nando tata a whaina loto ni tai po. I would like to invite Mrs. Taisolo for her keynote this morning. Ya, ella chale a chele me fala los fatalo fatuai. Kaya malam malu sauni. Ya, ini ngatai pada fasal lau ya ai mai se lava fatalo fatoi le media. Ya ai mai se tato te association ya lo unho fa aolo te mapu tai le solo o ole whaolunga po kalame mo ni TRF. Ia ua walaawina ua te sau e tala le po kalame nei. Ia ona o le mātou whaalapa patonga o maua mai ai sina se le ni whaatupe ai. Ia ele i talia sina tatalanga. Ia o le bi inga lawa si i le ali. Ina wa tātou poto ia fia mai. Ia o tau paia, o tau whaingatā. Ia o tau mamalu. Ia o le ali o yese leo. Paulava o lea, ia tālofa a fio mai ma tana mai a au i le sign language training. Ia po le awa onga mo tangata longa noa. O le nawa mai au na to atu soto matu pala mai yaso ane. Ia o le o lo pule le tau samaanga ni ne yasu. Ia ile to e tele la se upu i natu langa. Ia ai o lo o mai. O te ia whailoa fo. Mo le sila fia i lato tele i sila fia i nana whala patonga nei. O le Deaf Association, o le Samoa Deaf Association. O le tau sanga i lua fiscal fitu na whaawai e whala patonga nei. Poto mai e tangata longa noa. I Samoa e amata na whaawai e whala patonga. Nona winga wa ia kau sanga. Ua balu tau sanga. Taluan whaawai le Samoa Deaf Association. O te le tau tala tele lai mafuanga nga lai whaawai po ane la tau manu lau ti. Pau lava le ona wau fia foi o leo o te whaalongo atu atu o me whaleasi. Manu whaleasi whapea wa e malanga i whafo. Ia o whaleasi le sina sui au tu o le sosi. Ia ai pei o le ala o le matou whapaanga ma le Samoa Deaf Association. Ona o matou whaalapa patonga. E mātou se aveina se eleni i whaala patonga ta i mua i tangata i ea whianga tūma. Peila o le Deaf Association e ta i mua tangata longa noa. Ia o le meana e leina mātou longa ngoina. A whaia se whaala patonga wainga le e whapea e o e lango tangata longa noa a o le poa ma le staff e le ai ma seisi longa noa. Ia mātou te le lango ina lato ai ngā asosi whapea na mo le sila fia. Ia o le autu o le autu o le aso nei. No human rights without sign language, right? Yes. Yeah. O le autu o le aso nei e le ai ni ai ata tau e au noa ma le whaatau a ina o le ngangana whaatanga. Ele mawhai, pe mawhai ona o te whaupuina whapea. Ele mawhai ona au sia ai ata tau pe a le whaatau a ina le ngangana whaatanga. E sea, a wā a le whaatau a ngana whaatanga wa tātou tāwa vai e se ina. Tangata nonga noa. Lona winga e tangata le misi. O left behind. O le tatalo la ma li tukalalo mo ina tō o auto a mai mo le a oina le ngangana. Ia mea mua. E whaataua le whaau fia ina tangata uma. E au fia ina tangata nonga noa. Te tonu o se vaenga o se fuanga. A wā a le ai le ngangana whaatanga, ele me whai ona a wai tangata longa noa so se mea. Lona lua, mō tangata longa noa lava lato, o le message, o le whiau o te fia wha me mawha ia o tō. O le whiau lava lea no pese atua ia o tō, talu mai le lua fiscal fitu. O le ngangana whaatanga, o le ngangana o tō. O le ngangana te tau na ta inua ai o tō. I lona tapu e ina, lona amana ia ina, ma lona whaatawa ina. Ai a tautu le mamoe o tō, ma le ngalurue o tō, ma le matuulafua o tō le ngangana. Lona winga, ia wa le tāua i sangata. O le upula vai maasani, ele tatoa tanu, a le aise ngangana, wa le aise nganu. A le aise nganu, wa pōle nu. O le ngangana alawa la o tō, o le ngangana whaatanga wai le mwhai ona tō tala noa i le ngangana le spoken language. O lona winga. Te tau lawa ona tō ta i mua i le ngangana whaatanga me le whaatawa ina. E le na olwa yaso o le sign language. Aso uma, so o se mea tau ana tō whinau ina i au fia le tō ngangana. I le whape whaatawa nei this week, ia ai moe lwa yaso lea. E te tau ana whaataua, taimi uma, aso uma. Mai te tau ana ta i mua i o tō le tangata longa noa. O le whiau tamoli na mo utou o la o tau whaalapitonga ia o ngā whole nei o o ngai tō le langa ai tō te pu e ai mo tō e mati ai ia mo le lumana. On behalf of Disability Rights Fund, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you here today. A special welcome to the media. Thank you for coming here and be a part of this commemoration for the Deaf Awareness Week this week. Samoa Deaf Association was set up in 2017, and I was privileged to be a part of the movement to set up this association. I will not dwell on why it was set up, but except that I want to say that the reason why Samoa Deaf Association was set up is so that they can advocate on their own rights and the significance of sign language. The theme for Sign Language Week or Deaf Awareness Week is no human rights without sign language. And as I have mentioned in my Samoan part of my speech, there is no achievements of human rights without sign language. Why? Because if we don't include sign language and persons who are deaf, they will continue to be left behind. My message for all of you participants of the training, I salute you for wanting to be a part of learning sign language, but I would like to encourage you all to, first of all, ensure that sign language is included and advocates for the inclusion of sign language in your work. I would like you to be joining persons who are deaf, supporting them to advocate for the significance of sign language in all aspects of society. My message for the deaf community here is the message that I have been giving you for the last 8 years. Sign language is your language. You should be responsible for developing it, nurturing it, and growing it, not anyone else. So it's not like you can celebrate International Week of the Deaf this week and then next week nothing. You should be continuing to nurture and advocate for the inclusion of sign language everywhere, in all aspects of society, because without your advocacy, no one else will value sign language as much as you should. So I wish you all the best with your celebration. God bless Faktai.
Taulapapa, this is the same solo, and wonderful pictures for us. Taulapapa, Taulapapa, suma de presidente, el CEO, Good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Eliseo, and I'm the president for the Deaf Association of Samoa. On behalf of the Deaf Association, it is with great joy and gratitude that we stand here today to celebrate the sign language training in honor the International Week of the Deaf. This week is a powerful reminder to us all that sign language is more than just a means of communication. It is very part of our identity, our culture, and our community. We take this moment to sincerely acknowledge and thank to our partners and supporters, to the Disability Right Fund, the Nuanua Lealofa, for your continuous support and belief in our vision and made this training possible. We also extend our appreciation to our affiliates, our friends and partners who have joined us in this journey. Your presence here today is a strong statement that inclusion and equality are not just words, but action we live by together. This training is not only about learning skills, but building bridge of understanding between the deaf and hearing communities. It is about creating space where deaf people can be fully included, respected, and empowered to share their voices through sign language. As we celebrate International Deaf Week, let us be reminded that our strength comes from unity, and our progress comes from working hard in hand. With your support, we will continue to promote deaf language, deaf rights, deaf culture, and sign language for the generation to come. Thank you for walking alongside with us in this mission of accessibility, dignity, and equality. We hope this training will break barriers that are faced with our deaf communities in different aspects of life. So, Papsai Lava, and I wish you all the best. Papsai. Thank you, President Eli, for your wonderful remark. So now we will move into our photo session, and that is the last session of our opening for this morning. After our photo session, and then we will have our morning tea. Upside the lava. Our photo, yeah.